In today's instructional video, we're going to learn how to remove and replace the screen on your Kason Vibroscreen separator. First, we're going to go ahead and take that off. So you just have to loosen the clamp ring, like so. We recommend a ratchet wrench to make this go a lot quicker. Remove the clamp ring. Put that off to the side in a safe place, and you can remove that frame. Then just lift the screen right off for your cleaning, inspection, and whatever else you need to do before replacing it and putting it back into service. When we're putting that back on, you're going to place that centered on your discharge frame. Place that spacing frame back up on top. Wrap the clamp ring around, making sure that it's on all the way around on the flange. You're going to retighten that nut and bolt on the clamp ring assembly. You want to get that as tight as you can. Then you're going to hit the clamp ring all the way around the outside to make sure it's really on there. And you're going to go ahead and tighten that some more. You'll see that the nut will actually be able to be tightened quite a bit more after you do hit that clamp ring. Once you get that nice and tight, and after you go through that whole process, you're ready to go back into service.